Grape farming and wine production are ancient arts that have evolved into highly advanced and scientific processes thanks to modern agricultural technology. This video explores the journey of grapes, from cultivation to wine production in a factory, providing insights into the techniques, technologies, and best practices used in the industry.
The first step in grape farming is selecting the appropriate grape variety based on climate. Grapes like Cabernet Sauvignon thrive in warm climates, while Riesling prefers cooler conditions. Soil type: well-drained, slightly acidic soils are ideal. Purpose: table grapes, raisins, or wine production.
Land clearing. Remove weeds, debris, and rocks. Soil testing. Conduct pH and nutrient analysis. Adjust pH to 5.5 to 7.0 if necessary. Irrigation setup. Drip irrigation is recommended for efficient water usage. Planting season: spring is the best time for planting. Spacing: maintain a spacing of 6 to 10 feet between rows and 3 to 5 feet between vines. Support system: use trellises or stakes for training the vines. Timing is everything. We monitor sugar levels, also known as Brix, acidity, and flavor, to determine the perfect time for harvest. The method we choose depends on the variety. We harvest by hand for delicate varieties or by machine for larger-scale operations.
Hand harvesting is labor-intensive but gentle on the grapes, making it suitable for premium wine production. The process involves workers using shears to carefully cut grape clusters. These grapes are then placed in small crates to avoid any damage. Faster and cost-effective for large vineyards. The process involves machines shaking the vines to dislodge the grapes. These grapes are then collected and transported to the factory. For long distances, refrigerated trucks are used to prevent spoilage. It's essential to minimize handling to reduce bruising.
Sorting involves removing leaves, stems, and damaged grapes. Then we gently crush the grapes to release the juice, known as must, while preserving the seeds and skins. Alright, so let's talk about primary fermentation. First, we add yeast to the must, which is basically the crushed grape juice. We need to maintain the temperature between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. This process usually takes about 7 to 14 days. Then, we have secondary fermentation, also known as malolactic fermentation. This process converts malic acid to lactic acid, which helps in softening the wine. It's quite common for red wines. After fermentation, we move on to pressing. This step is all about separating the solids from the liquid. Next comes clarification. Here, we use fining agents or filtration methods to remove any impurities, ensuring a clear and pure wine. Now, let's discuss aging. Barrel aging involves storing the wine in oak barrels, which adds flavor and complexity. Alternatively, we can use stainless steel tanks, which are great for producing fresher, fruitier wines. Typically, red wines age longer than white wines, ranging from 6 months to several years. Sterilize bottles and fill them with wine under controlled conditions. Cork or cap the bottles and label them. Conduct quality checks to ensure consistency.
Use drones and sensors to monitor soil health, water levels, and pest infestations. GPS-guided tractors for accurate planting and harvesting. Efficient and fast, especially for large vineyards. Control temperature, oxygen levels, and agitation for optimal fermentation.
Use spectroscopy and chromatography for chemical analysis. Employ AI systems to evaluate wine quality.
The integration of modern technology in grape farming and wine production has transformed the industry, making it more efficient, sustainable, and capable of producing high-quality wines. By adhering to best practices in cultivation, harvesting, and factory processes, farmers and producers can maximize their yields and deliver exceptional products to consumers. Please subscribe to the channel.